Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss the new lesson, determinant. Determinant is the value of square matrix. एक स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है, ऑलवेज आपके स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स होगा और उसका जो न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू है एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड द डिटरमिनेंट्स. सो इट इज द वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग लेसन आल्सो. डिटरमिनेंट इज डिनोटेड बाय सपोज A is the matrix A I J, but it should be equal I equal to J because it is a square matrix, and then A, and that is called the determinants. Determinant is denoted by this side, and that is called the determinant. So my students, suppose it is a determinant A B C D. It is a 2 cross 2 matrix, and this sign is called the determinants. If you want to find the value of these determinants, then by cross multiplication, this number multiply A B minus and this two number B C, and it is the determinants. So AB minus BC, and that is the determinants of a square matrix. So my students, I think you understand. Just cross multiplications. In case of the 2 cross 2 matrix, you have to find the determinant by using cross multiplications. At first you have to multiply these two, again these two, and that is the determinants. Again, in case of the 3 cross 3 matrix, suppose it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you have to expand for row or column. You can expand the determinants for any row or column. Look my students, suppose if you want to expand for this row, then for one these all elements, look here, you can write like this, then you can understand. Suppose I want to find the expand of 1, then this one you write like first, and this row and this column should be cancelled, and remaining numbers you have 5 6 8 9. Again it is the plus, again minus. According to formula you have to write here minus sign. Next for 2, this row and this column, this row and this column you have to remove, because if you want to find the expand for 2, then this row and column will be cancelled, then remaining numbers and these two are cancelled, so remaining numbers are what? 4 7 6 9. Again for 3, if you expand for 3, then this line and this line cancel, so remaining numbers are 4 5 7 8. Now when you multiply 45 minus 48 minus 2, these two numbers multiply minus 42. Next 3, these two numbers multiply 32 minus 35. So I get for minus 3 minus 2. When you multiply, when you subtract, then you get how much? Minus 6 plus 3. When you subtract, then you get how much? Minus 3. Now minus 3 plus 12 minus 9, you get how much? 12 minus 12, you get what? 0. So that is the determinants, and value of the determinants was 0. So you can also expand for this column also, row also, value will be the same. Any row or any columns, you can find the determinant for any row or for any column. Suppose if you want to find for a column first, then suppose if you want to find the expand for the column, for the row, then what will happen for 1? Suppose if you want to find the expandation for this column, then what will happen for 1? If you write like this, finally remove this and this, then you have how much? 5 6 8 9. Again for 4, you write a minus, because It is the plus, minus, plus like this. You have to expand. For any row or for any column, just you have to expand for any one row or for any one column. Next, for 4, this line cancel, this line and this line. Row and column should be the cancel. So remaining numbers are 2, here 2, here 3, 8 and 9. Again, for these numbers, if you expand for this number, then this line and this line cancel. So remaining numbers are for 7, you have to write here 7, and remaining numbers are 2, 3, 5, 6. Now if I expand, then by cross multiplications, 45 minus 48, 4 into 18 minus 24 plus 7, final multiply, then 12 minus 15. So by cross multiplication equal to how much? Minus 3 minus 4 and final multiply minus 6 plus 7, final multiply minus 3, then minus 3 plus 24 minus 21, 24 minus 24 you get how much? 0. Value are remain same. When I expand for this row I get the 0, and also for this column I also get what? 0. That means in case of the determinants, their numerical value always remain same. For you expand for your row or any column, their value are remain unchanged. So my students, I think you understand what I have to discuss in this class. So next, suppose it is a determinants x 2, 3, 4. Again, suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also determinants. You have to find the value of x. But in case of the matrix, just we compare on both sides. But in case of the determinants, you cannot compare. Just you have to expand for both the sides. So when I expand, look here, these two multiply, then 4x minus 6. Again these two, 4 minus 6. Again my students, look here, expand, then you can what you have to get by cross multiplications. These two numbers you get 4x and these two numbers 6. You have to write minus in the middle according to the formula. So 4x equal to minus 2 plus 6, minus come this side, it become plus, then 4x equal to 4, x equal to almost 1, and that is your answers. So I think you understand what I am going to discuss here. So in case of the determinants, all the matrix, all square matrix, these are all square matrix, and in case of the determinant you can just find the value of a square matrix using like this. But in case of the determinant you cannot compare, just you expand for any row or column, you get the answer. Next my students, look at, suppose another questions, it is value is given 2x 3 4 and it is given suppose the 12. Just you have to find the value of x. What? You have to find the value of x. Then in such cases, by cross multiplications or expand the value like this. When you expand, then you get 8. When you expand, 3x equal to 12. So 8 minus 12 equal to 3x. Minus come this side, then it become plus. When you expand this side, then you get minus 4 upon 3 equal to x, and that is your value. So my students, I think understands what I am going to discuss here. So my students, look here. Suppose the question is given if is the determinant of 1, 2, 4, 2, then show that a to prove that twice of a, determinant of twice of a equal to 4 into determinant of a. Like these questions are very important. So for 1 mark, what you have to do? If it is a constant, look here. If it is a constant for 2 cross 2 matrix, its order is what? 2, because it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Then this constant come like this, 2 की power n. That means if a matrix is K, A, K determinant, and it is a order n, If the order is n, suppose it is of order 2, but in case of the order n, that means n plus n matrix, then this come like this, a to the power n determinant of a, like these questions you have to solve. So for 1 mark you can have to solve like this. But you have to prove, in these questions you have to prove that it is a determinant of twice of a equal to 4 into determinant of a, you have to prove this. So my students, look here. That means in case of the twice a, 2 into a, so 2 into determinant, 2 into at first a to right hand matrix, because it is given a 2 goes to matrix. At first it was a matrix. After that, just a to right hand matrix 1, 2, 4, 2. But in case of the matrix, you have to multiply all these numbers 2, 4, 8, 4. Okay, just I multiply by 2 all these numbers, then you get this one. So twice of determinant equal to 2, 4, 8, 4. By cross multiplication, because it is now it becomes a determinant. At first it was a matrix. Now it becomes a determinant. So by cross multiplications, 8 minus 1, 32. You get how much? 8 minus 32, you get how much? 16. So I get, 16, 14. So I get minus 14, and that is the answers. But it is the left side I get what? Minus the 14. So if you prove that this side are also equal or not. It is 22, not 14, 22. Okay, my students, look here. Next, for right side, what you to prove? Determinant of A. Determinant of A means 1, 2, 4, 2. If I find the determinants, then look here. 2 minus 8 equal to minus 6. So 4 into determinant of A, you get 4 into determinant of minus 6, you get minus 24. So look here, the both sides are equal. That means in any questions, if you want to find like these questions, twice of A, 3 of A, then you can use which I discussed in previous. So my students, I think you understand what I am going to discuss.